T, and I am back with another video. So y'all can see in this title, I'm gonna be doing raffles for 24 hours. So right now, I think it's like 1 o'clock. I actually just woke up, like literally just got up. I woke up, did my hair, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and put on a red shirt. So I can start out with this video so I can eat my cereal. And I'm just gonna show y'all everything that I got because like, I'm ready. Okay, so first off with cereal. Oh, let me make this thumbnail. Let me do this thumbnail. Please, oh come on, like. Or, no, that's ugly. No, that's ugly. I think I got it. I look like a dum-dum doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna show y'all everything that I got. So I got cereal. It's red cereal. I got some McNuggets sausage. They red. I'm gonna eat this for dinner. Eat that for dinner. I got some red Jell-O. I got chips. I got some Twizzlers. I got some pepperoni. Got 2 pepperonis. I got this. I don't know what this is, but I'm drinking this with my breakfast. And I got some cookies, some red cookies. My niece and nephews ate this whole roll up when I was at my sister's house, so don't mind it. I got some cookies. I got fruit punch. I got this yesterday. And I got some red dye. And I got some milk. Okay, so I know you're probably thinking like, why you only got pepperoni? So I'm making pizza rolls, but I'm gonna turn everything red. I'm turning the biscuits red. What else? And I'm gonna turn the cheese red. I'm gonna try to turn the cheese red. But I know I'm gonna turn the biscuits red for sure. I'm gonna mix it up with some butter. When I do the butter, I'm gonna put the dye in the butter, so when I be brushing it, it'll be red. So yeah, this is what I'm eating. And for lunch, I'm eating Magnolia. So yeah, so we're just gonna get straight into this video. We're gonna try this cereal. So yeah, I think I need to pour my milk in first, simply because I gotta do the dye. So how much y'all? So okay, put this milk in. I'm gonna add like 2 drops. Think 2 drops gonna be enough? 1, 2. I'm nervous. Are you nervous? Ooh. It's really like a pinkish red. Probably because the milk is white, so it looks kind of pink. Okay, so now we're gonna get this cereal. Like this is my first time eating my auntie had ate some of this and she said it was good. So we're just gonna taste it. This is good. If y'all have never had this, y'all need to go taste it. Cause it's good. the breakfast is 1 o'clock in the morning. I mean, 1 o'clock in the afternoon because I just woke up. So I'm gonna be back to y'all if I need a snack or for lunch. So yeah, and y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment for more bangers because like, baby girl. So I'm gonna see y'all when I eat my next meal. So friend eat me a little snack, they tap tap tap. But yeah, I'm gonna eat me a snack. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna eat. Twizzlers, a cookie. I taste, everybody knows like these the best cookies, but I haven't tasted the red kind. So hope this is good. Some chips. I'm finna finish chips. I ain't tasted the red kind. So hope this is good. It's good. You know, you gotta have some water to deep fry shit. Everything else I ate before. So I'm just gonna. But really. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this snack and watch my video back. What's up, y'all? So like, I just woke up from my nap. I've been asleep for like the longest. And eating a Twizzler. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make my pizza roll because like, I know that's like the only thing I'm gonna eat is pizza roll. Because if I eat my McNuggets sausage, this gonna count as my dinner because I'm not gonna eat nothing else. I don't eat that much. So yeah, it's like 6, 7. It's almost 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my dinner. And probably eat me some Jello while it's cooking, but it shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna see y'all And the kitchen. Oh, what? I'm sorry if I'm making loud. But yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna set the oven to, you know, bake 350. Make sure ain't nothing up in here. You need to get this stuff out. And I'm gonna start on making my pizza roll. I'm gonna show you how to make my pizza roll. For my pizza rolls, I don't even put sauce on my pizza rolls, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. So we're gonna make these pizza rolls. I'm gonna show y'all how to make these pizza rolls. Turn red. Hopefully the biscuits turn red. I don't even know. I'm scared. Mom, why this stuff ain't up? Mom, my thing won't open. Press spoon. It. Okay, so I got this one. Hopefully, it open. Let me see. Peel at top, press spoon into steam. First, I open the point. And away from. I'm so shaky. Alright. Ooh, I love this. That's so good. Okay. We're gonna press it down. Squeeze together. I'm gonna show you how to make one, and I'm gonna just finish the rest. So, there's some butter. It's not a lot. Dip this food coloring in it. Mix this bad boy up. So, it's red. Well, y'all can't see it, but it's red. But we need to. It sounds real good. Like, you gotta make this one flat. I wish I had a roller. Okay, got this. I'm gonna get this spoon and just drip it up on here. Now, I'm gonna turn this bad boy red. This is fun. So now we just make that cheese. The cheese not red, but it's okay. Some of them gonna be red. Cause these are good. You can probably know. So I just wanna get some cheese, sprinkle it on here. Cheese, right? You gotta add like a lot of cheese. So. Let me get to macaroni. Get about 4 or 5 pepperonis. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 pepperonis on there. So now we just gonna like roll it. Okay. Now we got the piece roll form and just roll it up. So here easy, you can see some of the red. Now we finna add, drip this down on that boy. I'm just gonna paint this piece around. Gonna be real buttery. So this is pizza roll number 1. So I got pizza roll. Oh, let's get first. Pizza roll, got a red pizza roll. Woo! Woo! Okay, y'all, so I'm done making a pizza roll. I'm gonna show y'all how to eat that with. Red. It looks burnt right there on the camera, but it's not. But it's red all over. You did. So I baked 2 of them. Y'all can see. And don't know move because she's talking in the background. Some real good. I'm just gonna enjoy this. So I'm just gonna show y'all because most likely it's gonna like baby girl. This y'all look good. If y'all didn't made y'all homemade pizza rolls, you need to try it. save the other piece for later. Excuse me. Later on at night. So yeah, see y'all then or night. What's up, y'all? So this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment whatever you want to comment if you dig. And yeah, so yeah, it's getting late and I ain't ate nothing right now, so most likely I'm not gonna eat nothing. So yeah, make sure you like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel, and give me ideas like videos y'all want me to post. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.